Hey guys, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. And, well, yes, I know it's been quite a while since I did my last video, but I kind of got off track with some of the specials I did for the holidays, including, Thanksgiving and Halloween all the way back in October. But I am trying to get back on a normal schedule. That's why you haven't seen a video in, a week or two. So, sorry about that. But, there'll be a lot more videos to come because of the Christmas season and, presents and all of that stuff, which I'll tell you this will include some cars. So definitely stay tuned for that. But today, right here, is a Maisto 118 Mercedes-Benz 500K type special roadster. It's also from 1936. So a very long name and a very long car. And a beautiful one too. This is actually from the Maisto Premier Edition series, which over the years have really gotten kind of small in size to the models they're making today, which is only the Cadillac Eldorado Brits and the Mercedes-Benz 500K type Roadster. And I suspect that maybe the Premier Edition line will just go out completely on Maisto. I hope that doesn't happen. Maybe if they could revive it by making some new models in that line. They used to make quite a bit of them back in the day, but yeah. This is the one I actually got from Amazon for about, I think, $40 or $35, which I didn't think was too bad considering this was a new condition. And, of course, this is a Premier Edition once again, so, yeah. And Premier Edition kind of gives you a little more detail, and the box is a little different, and you have the special stand as well. Kind of the nicer print stand in this gold or yellow and gray and white design box, which is pretty neat actually. It's also bigger. The box is a lot bigger than, it's actually a full hand's length. It's very, very wide. So, yeah, so you got a little Mercedes logo right there, official product, 1/18 scale. Very nice design box. On the back, it just kind of shows you the different lines they have with, of course, the Premier Edition, Special Edition 118, Special Edition 124th, and of course the assembly line models, which you actually build yourself. Those are really fun if you do like building them. They're actually already pre-built, or sorry, not pre-built. They're already pre-painted, and you don't have to glue anything, so it's a little easier than some of those other model kits out there, and it is full metal, of course. On the bottom, it has Maisto's showroom display unit. A lot of these Premier Edition cars dating back even to the 90s had this display case. Yeah, it's pretty neat. It has the GM official license product, Mercedes-Benz, all that stuff, Maichong Group, the group from there in Fontana, California. There you go. It's a pretty usual Maisto box, just a little more special because it is a Premier Edition. So let's go ahead and we'll take it out of its box. Obviously, from first glance, it is seems very detailed for a Maisto. I was very surprised when I saw this model. That even though it was the Premier Edition, that it is a fairly well detailed model. Let me put y'all down real quick. It kind of surprised me at first. That's why I thought to myself, you know what? I might go ahead and buy it. I usually don't buy Maistos off of Amazon or anything like that, just because they tend to be, more expensive than, say, Sam's Club. But you can't buy Premier Edition 118 by Maisto at Sam's Club or Costco when the season comes around, because they only sell the special editions, which is fine because, they're great prices. But kind of my only option. I looked on eBay too, but for a compatible, or for a same condition wise, I want a new box. It was about the same price too, so I'm just like, well, whatever, just get a new one off Amazon. And I actually got it off of, I think I might have gotten it on Amazon Warehouse Deals, actually, now that I think of it. Yes, I did. That's correct. I got it off of Amazon Warehouse Deals, and that sells either returned items or damaged products. And this was, as you see, not damaged in actually any way, but I still got a really good discount. So definitely go check that out if you're looking for any new diecast models online. But here it is. Wow, just a beautiful car. Such a sleek. I mean, it kind of reminds me of, say, Cruella de Vil or something like that. A evil kind of, person would drive this, or a rich person, of course, back in the day. Very nice windshield, frameless. Very nice lights here. You got the luggage and the spare wheel. And you even got the Mercedes logo on the wheels right there. Very, very nice. Your little corner bumpers there with your little spare wheel right there. And if I'm correct, you do have, yes, I think they called it the rumbler seat. Or the rumbler seat. Pretty neat, and it just a little further back, but kind of stiff just because it is a new model. But very neat. And of course you could maybe put some luggage on that or something. And the doors actually open like a suicide pattern, and actually not that wide, but it's actually kind of surprising. It's kind of weird. Oh wow, there's even like aluminum trim in the door sill. As you go, the seats have a nice texture to them. Huh. Very, very neat. So I can get you guys around here. There you go. Oh, that's funny. Look at the, see that lever right there? Look at how much that moves. That's funny. Doesn't even look like it's bolted in necessarily, but whatever. And speaking of sturdiness, everything, even these lights, which you'd think would be super fragile, and they still are, so I wouldn't recommend this for a little kid or anything, but it's definitely sturdy enough. Especially if you're only going to, display it. And you got the white wall tires as well. And I presume that these open like this. Oh, it's moving. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. Wow, look at the detail on that. That is gorgeous. Guys, this is a Maisto. This is crazy. And yes, some people are going to comment down below. I have so many more detailed models, but this is a Maisto. This is a low-end company we're looking at right here. But wow, this is crazy. This is definitely one of the best, one of the best models I've seen for Maisto so far. This is actually really nice. Look at all that wiring detail with the and this cross member right there. You even got the fan and the belts back way in the back. It's kind of hard to see, but there you go. You got some of your steering shaft, and what does that say? Mercedes Benz. Guys, I can't read that. Hold on. Put in the comments down below if you can actually read what that's saying. I have no idea. I'm guessing that's a brake servo or something to do with the brakes, maybe. Kind of hard to see with how little it is, but yeah, there you go. Very detailed, very nice, like pattern for the things right there. Let's see, not shutting it. Wow, just an amazing looking model. Got the dual wheels on both sides. Yeah, that is very good. Yeah, guys, this is a very neat looking model. I guess we can take it off the stand. I don't usually do this, but I'm kind of excited for this one. So let's go ahead and sit it down right here so nothing happens to it. And ooh, the ducks are not happy. Set y'all down for a second. Yeah, but talking about the Amazon warehouse deals, you can usually get them for a pretty hefty discount, usually, and it could be, you could get lucky. Sometimes you might not get lucky, and there's actually heavier discounts and less heavier discounts based on how bad the damage is, and Amazon does actually give you a description of how bad it is, and so yeah, it's pretty cool how they do that. But here's the model out of its box. It's actually bigger than you might think. That's a very wide car. So, very villainous 500K. You even have the exhaust out the side. That's very neat as well. Well, guys, so put in the comments down below. Well, you know, I tend to not have as great views on the reviews of these 1/18 scale cars than I do unboxing, so I haven't done them in a while because I don't get that great of views on them. So, if you like what you see here, and you would like me to do a review of it, put in the comments down below and tell me what you think. Well, tell me what you think about this model, and if you would like to see a full-on review of it in the future. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would suggest subscribing, because you'll see a lot more content like this, and even real car content with real reviews and things like that. And you know what? I think about adding another thing to our channel. Maybe even car detailing. So keep that in mind as well. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Put in the comments down below what you think about this model. And I'll tell you one thing, I'm very surprised about how good this one is. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And stay safe out there, guys. Thanks for watching.